Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 71. Today, our big topic is very nice and warm, talking about learning English with love. My name is Lily.
Hi friends, I'm Ben. Nice to see you again. Do you sometimes feel, English is so difficult? Books are boring, words don't stay in my head, grammar makes me tired. I know that feeling. But today, we want to change it. What if we learn English with love, like when you love ice cream or your cat or your best friend? When you love something, it becomes easy and happy, right, Lily?
Yes, Ben, exactly. When we love English, we don't study, we enjoy. We smile more, we learn faster. So today, we will talk a lot about how to fall in love with English, slowly, gently, step by step. Are you ready to start this lovely journey?
I'm super ready. Let's go.
Okay, first question for everyone listening. Why is love so important for learning?
Good question. When you love something, your brain says, wow, this is nice. I want more. You remember better, you practice more, you are not afraid to make mistakes. Love equals motivation plus happiness plus progress.
Yes, I have a small story. When I was a beginner, I opened a big grammar book and I closed it after 2 minutes. I said, no thank you, too boring. Then one day, I found my favorite song in English, very simple song. I listened and sang. After 1 week, I knew all the words. I didn't study. I loved the song, and the words came to me like magic.
I love that story. I have the same. I watched Peppa Pig in English. Very easy. Short sentences, funny pictures. Peppa, jump in the muddy puddle. I laughed. I repeated. After some time, I said to my sister, look, I understand Peppa without subtitles. I felt so happy. That happiness made me want to watch more and speak more.
See, fun things first, not boring rules first. So, dear listeners, think now. What do you love in life? Music, dancing, football, animals, food, video games. Tell yourself, I will use English with the things I already love.
Great idea. Let's give examples. Lots of examples.
Example 1, music. You love songs? Choose very easy songs. Baby Shark, If You're Happy and You Know It, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Sing every day in the shower. Sing loud, no one hears, only you and English.
Example 2. Food. Do you like cooking? Go to YouTube and search Easy English Recipe Pancake. Watch slowly. Pause. Repeat. First, take 1 egg. Crack the egg. Mix flour and milk. Say it while you cook real pancakes. Delicious and English.
Example 3, animals. Love cats or dogs? Watch short videos, funny cat compilation with English subtitles. Words jump, run, sleep, eat, play. Very useful words.
Example 4. Games. Play mobile games in English. Candy Crush, Subway Surfers, change language to English. You see level up, good job, try again. Small words, but every day.
Example 5, friends or family. Find one person who also learns English, even if both beginners. Chat every day, only 5 minutes. Hi, how are you today? I'm happy, I ate soup. Laugh together when wrong. Mistakes become funny stories, not problems.
I do this with my friend Marco from Italy. Every evening we send voice message. Today I walked in park. It was sunny. What about you? Sometimes we say wrong. I goed, I eated. We laugh. Haha, classic mistake. No shame, only friendship and English.
Love your mistakes. Say it with me now, listeners. Mistakes are my teachers. I love my mistakes.
Mistakes are my teachers. I love my mistakes. Good.
Another important thing, be kind to yourself. Many students say, my English is terrible. I'm so bad. Stop. Change it. Say instead, my English is growing. Every day better. I'm proud of me.
Yes. Try this sentence now. I'm proud of myself because I practice English today.
I'm proud of myself because I practice English today. feels good, right? Say it every morning in front of mirror. Smile to yourself.
Now, let's practice some happy sentences together. Repeat after us slowly with love.
I love English.
I love English.
Learning English is fun.
Learning English is fun.
I enjoy speaking English.
I enjoy speaking English.
Every day I become better.
Every day I become better.
I like my small victories.
I like my small victories.
Great, you did it.
How to make your study time feel like love time.
Idea 1. Create cozy corner. Soft pillow, nice cup of tea or juice, candle or fairy lights, phone on do not disturb. 10 to 15 minutes only. Short, so no stress.
Idea 2. Use timer. 10 minutes, stop. Better 10 happy minutes than 60 boring minutes.
Idea 3. Reward yourself. After study, watch funny video, eat chocolate, dance. I studied, now I deserve fun.
Idea 4. Mix activities. One day, song. Next day, recipe. Next day, chat with friend. No same thing every day. Boredom goes away.
Idea 5. Keep tiny diary. Write 3 sentences every evening. Very easy. Today I learned the word delicious. I spoke English with my sister. I feel happy.
Or draw. Draw sun, write sun. Draw apple, write apple is red. Children's book style. Fun for adults too.
Now, listening practice with love.
Listen to very slow English. Channels like English Addict with Mr. Steve or Daily Easy English. Or fairy tales like The Three Little Pigs slow version. Close your eyes, smile, enjoy the voice.
Repeat after the speaker. 1 sentence, pause, repeat, like a game.
Speak out loud every day. Talk to plants, to your cat, to your mirror. Hello, beautiful plant. Today is sunny. I love you, English.
It feels funny at first, then it feels normal, then it feels powerful.
Confidence grows with love. Confidence plus love equals magic.
Let's do a longer role play now. Imagine you meet a new friend online who also learns English.
Okay, I start. Hi, my name is Ben. I'm learning English. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Ben. I'm Lily. I learn English too. I like music. Do you like music?
Yes, I like pop music. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. And you?
I like K-pop, BTS. We can talk about songs in English.
Great idea. What song do you like now?
I like Dynamite. It makes me dance. What about you?
I like Shake It Off. Very positive. Okay, your turn. Ask me something.
Where are you from, Ben?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from a small town, but now I speak English with world.
Amazing. See, listeners? Simple questions, simple answers. Big happiness.
Now more vocabulary. Feelings words. Repeat. Happy? I'm happy today. Excited? I'm excited about English. Relaxed. I feel relaxed when I listen to songs. Proud. I'm proud of my progress. Curious. I'm curious about new words.
Use one now. Tell us in your head or out loud. I feel because.
I feel excited because today we talk with love.
I feel happy because you listen to us.
Another set. Daily phrases with love. I enjoy. I love when. It's nice too. I feel good when.
Examples. I enjoy watching cartoons in English. I love when I understand a song. It's nice to speak with friends in English. I feel good when I learn a new word.
Now try to make your own now. Pause the podcast. Say 1 sentence. I enjoy.
Good job.
Let's talk about time. How much time every day?
10 minutes is perfect for beginners. 10 minutes with love, greater than 1 hour with stress.
But if you have more energy, 20 minutes. Still short blocks. 10-minute song, plus 5-minute repeat, plus 5-minute diary.
And 1 day a week, fun day. No rules. Only watch movie with subtitles, play game, chat long time.
Patience, friends. Love grows slowly, like a flower. You water every day, one day, beautiful flower. Your English is the same.
Water equals practice. Sun equals positive thoughts. Soil equals kindness to yourself.
Beautiful picture, Ben.
Now imagine common questions from listeners. Listener, I forget words very fast. What to do?
Make them personal. Word delicious. Remember your favorite food. Say, this pizza is delicious. Use word today, in real life.
Listener, I'm shy to speak.
Start alone. Mirror, pets, record your voice. Then one trusted person. Small steps equal big courage.
Listener, grammar is scary.
Learn grammar from songs and stories first. I am happy. You are my friend. He is tall. Hear it many times, it stays. Last big advice. Celebrate everything. Learned 3 words? Dance. Understood 1 sentence? High-five yourself. Spoke 2 minutes? Say, wow, I did it.
You deserve celebration. Every tiny step.
Okay, friends, we talked a lot today.
Yes, let's summarize with love.
Today we learned, love makes English easy and happy. Use your favorite things, music, food, games, friends. Be kind to mistakes. Practice short time. Create cozy moments. Celebrate victories. Speak out loud. Listen with smile.
We practiced many sentences. I love English. Learning is fun. I enjoy. I'm proud of myself. Mistakes are my teachers.
We did role plays. We gave lots of ideas. Now, your turn.
Practice every day, even 5 minutes, with love. You are not alone. We are with you.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 71. You are wonderful. Keep smiling, keep loving English.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, friends. Love yourself and your English journey.